What's going on, guys? It's Ryan here. Today we're going to go ahead and look at all the top gainers in the S&P 500. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get started. First on the list, we have Micron. Micron closed up just over 10% today. It looks like it is bouncing off of this support. I think you still have a little bit of resistance coming up here at the 110 levels. So we'll see. We'll see if it can go ahead and break out. I don't think that this is going to be a trend that's going to continue, but who knows? We'll see. Okay, second on the list, we have Super Micro Computer. So Super Micro Computer is actually an interesting one. Back in 2023, Super Micro was one of the top gaining stocks for 2023. And of course, it continued in 2024. And it had just an absolute run back between January and June. It was absolutely insane. The stock just took off. And then it kind of lost momentum. And then we ran into some problems just before the company was set to report earnings. There was a scandal involving its auditor, Ernst & Young. It found out that the company was prematurely reporting revenue, so overestimating what they had already collected over their accounts receivable. And then they were also underreporting accounts payable. So that was a big no-no, and the stock had dropped 60% in just a few days when that had happened, and then you had a nice rebound. So do I think that we're out of the woods yet on this stock? I'm not sure. They still have not announced their earnings since they were set to back in November. I would stay away from this stock. It does look, if you're looking at the Heikin-Ashi candles, that you might have a small trend reversal. However, for me, it's just too dangerous. Like I said, I mean, this stock dropped over 20% in one day. So for me, hands off here, but who knows? You might get a trend if you want to swing on into it. Okay, up next we have Teradyne. Teradyne looks like it's starting to kind of do a little breakout here. Might be in some clear skies here. I would say the next price target on this one is going to be anywhere between 160, 180. I think you can get away with a solid trade on this one. Put your stops below 128, and who knows? Let's see how this one can go. Up next, we have Align Technologies. This stock has not been performing too well over the past couple of years. However, it looks like it is doing a bullish breakout today. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on this one. We have the first sign of a trend reversal. If you want to get in on this one, you can put your stops just below the 210 mark, and then price target just at around 240, I'd say. Up next, we have KLAC. This company is up 5% today. Looks like it's starting to do a nice solid trend reversal, bouncing off of support down here. Could be a good little swing trade for those who want to get in on it. And it's also just overall been a strong momentum trade. I mean, this company has been going up. They do pay dividends, be an opportunity to get in and get a nice swing to the upside. You do kind of have some resistance right here around 690, not just right here, also around the 705 mark back in August and September. So lots of traffic to the left. However, it does seem like it could be a strong momentum play, probably more of a mid to long-term trade. Next but not least, GE Verona coming up again on the list, up 4.8% today. Has this solid breakout above the price range of 350. Nice little pinch at 321. And who knows where this one can go. Looks like it could be off to the races. But it was kind of a spinning top candle right there. So, maybe nothing too serious to get excited about. However, if you did get in based on my last couple videos after the first of the year, could have made a nice little profit on it. If you're bullish on GE Verona in the long term, have a hack at it. Up next on the list, we have Steel Dynamics. Steel Dynamics had a nice retracement today after a pretty convicted downtrend. I don't know that it's out of the woods yet. It didn't really form any sort of support with the daily candles. However, if we're looking at the Heikin-Ashis, it is a trend reversal. Obviously, that doesn't mean anything. Just kind of another tool in our toolbox here. Up 4.85% today. Next on the list, we have Hewlett Packard, up 4.72% today. It looks like it is bouncing off of this little range. I wouldn't say that it's necessarily bouncing off of a strong level of support, just kind of given the wonky stock price action that we've had in this stock, shooting up, shooting down, so, and again, it's HP, so do with that what you will. Up next on the list, we have Constellation Energy. This one has been coming up on some of my recent videos as well. It looks like we're up 4.71% today. Nice little run to the upside. Some solid candles and this level of support. It's not the strongest, but definitely some conviction to the upside here. Up next on the list, we have Lululemon. Lululemon was up 4.5% today. Nice, solid bullish move, signaling some possible continuation on this. We're going to want to break the price of 403. Well, I'd say 405. We're going to have a solid continuation. However, it could be a good opportunity to go ahead and get in a little bit early. Definitely have your price stops ready at around the 370 price range, and see what you guys can do with it. Okay, that does it for today. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this. And as always, this is just for informational purposes only. Do with it what you will, and we'll see you next time.